Mr. Barrett McKenzie. Coach, first year going into Pirates, how are you feeling?
Positive to me, positive. It's a great privilege to coach this club. We put a lot of work in pre-season, and this was our last friendly. But yeah, we feel positive for this league. So we'll see what happens next week.
I mean, you've been a head coach for many other clubs, but yeah, Pirates choosing you as the guy to steer the ship through. What's your preparation? What is your tricks and your cards under the sleeve?
Yes, we got some cards under the sleeve, but I have to say that this is a very special club to me. They got traditions here and stuff that dates back many years. So for me, on a personal note, it's a privilege to lead the side and coach the side. But to be honest with you, with a good side like this, they sort of make it a bit easier, But yeah, we had a lot of preparation off the field, a lot of alignment sessions, on the field, a lot of preparations. That's brought us to this point. Like I say, first league game next week.
All right, yeah, coaching for that one opener against Raiders, the arch rivals here. It's going to be a home game.
Yeah.
I think. How are you feeling for that one? How's the nerves?
Listen, the nerves is way up there, I promise you. What I can say, it's going to be a humdinger. Raiders is no slouch this year, so I think it's going to be the hungriest dog is going to eat.
Well done, coach. Well, to your guys, great. We love what we're seeing out here, and yeah, we just want to say good luck and all the best for the season.
Thank you very much, Stevie.